It's currently 3 o'clock in the afternoon. हम अभी पेंट से निकले हैं. Actually it got a little late. हम तैयार वैयार होके सब पैक करके निकलने तक it almost took half a day. And हमारा next destination था झांसी, but it's not possible for us to cover it by 10, which we thought of doing it. इसीलिए हम अभी change of plans होगा और instead of झांसी we'll probably be staying in some other place. वो तो हमें खुद भी नहीं मालूम है कि as of now where we'll be halting for the night. But as and when we get to a state or a destination, we'll obviously let you know. So as you can see, to talk about the current place we are in, as you can see, there's barricades in the corners of the road. ये जो green barricades हैं, these are soundproof, so that the sounds of vehicles and human life does not disturb the wildlife across that forest. Also, उधर के जो animals हैं ये वो इधर तरफ jump ना कर सके. And probably these all roads, I might have mentioned this in the last clippings of when we were entering the Pench forest, तब कि ये पूरा land ऐसे elevated बना है. As in these forests that you can see in front, these trees are growing from below the bridge or this flyover that's built. तो हम एक elevated land पे जा रहे हैं. This is to conserve this forest. तो हम रात में उतना clearly दिखा नहीं पाए थे, but now with the daylight you can probably see things more clearly. This forest was beautiful and raw, and आपको clippings मिलेंगी of how we had sightings and everything. As of now we are heading towards our next left turn. तो अभी टाइम है 5:30. हम लंच के लिए ढूंढ रहे थे, बट ये हाईवे पे प्रॉपर रेस्टोरेंट्स है नहीं जहाँ पे हम फैमिली के साथ ठहर के खा सके. रेस्टोरेंट्स है बट वो बस लॉरी ड्राइवर ये वो वैसा है, और वो क्राउड में हमें कंफर्टेबल नहीं होता है. दैट इज वाई ढूंढते ढूंढते हम यहाँ पे आ गए हैं. 5:30 में जस्ट कंप्लीटेड आवर लंच. लंच में भी कुछ खास नहीं लिया हमने, बिकॉज वांटेड टू ईट लाइट. जस्ट ऑर्डर्ड मील्स एंड दाल चावल. बस इतना खा के वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स आवर नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट. वेदर बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि हल्की सी बारिश है और हवा चल रही है. अच्छी राइड लग रही है हमें. जाना सब अच्छा लगे.
Time right now is around 5:40 p.m. We are currently somewhere near Jabalpur. From the road from Penn towards Jabalpur is actually quite great. It's in great condition. There is nothing wrong with the road at all. In fact, I see very less traffic as well on this road. Only challenge here is that if you're coming with your family, so there are literally no hotels except like 1 or 2 good hotels. If you miss those, then there is no hotel for kilometers together. Currently, we are riding on to some random ghat. I don't know which ghat it is, but the roads are again on the ghat as well. The roads are very well maintained and extra wide since it's a National Highway 44. Plan today is to probably just drive down to Sagar and then take rest, because last night was quite hectic. We reached very late, and right now as well, we left today as well like a little too early for safari and stuff, and we'll keep you posted. Time right now is around 8 p.m. We have crossed Jabalpur and we are heading towards Sagar. सड़क से state highway चालू हो गया है, and it's actually raining quite bad. On and off हो रहा है. That's actually not the problem. Problem यहाँ पे है with cattle. There is a lot of cattle on the road. पता ही नहीं चल रहा है ये कब कहाँ है क्या है रात में, और black cattle तो दिख ही नहीं रहे. देखो for example, like you can see, there's so much of cattle here on the road. Now you can't go beyond 40-45. So that kind of like kills your speed really really bad. I know for a fact that you can't really touch these cattle as well. Punjab bhai. As you can see, right, like the cattle really do not move at all. So you'll have to just wait for them to move. Only then you can proceed further. So your speed is literally not more than 40-45 kilometers, and you have to travel like around close to 160-140 kilometers out to Sagar from Jabalpur. We've taken the state highway road. I don't know for what joy, but ho gaya so ho gaya. So we are here, and tonight we're gonna just stop by at Sagar. Dekhte hain. Kal I'm planning to drive straight towards Agra and not take any breaks or anything as such. Let's see how it goes. क्विक स्मॉल रूम टूर। ये है रूम, यहाँ पे बस छोटा सा, इट्स ऑल मेसी, डोंट माइंड, छोटा सा रूम है। विल डू इट फॉर अ नाइट, वॉशरूम इज क्लीन एंड नीट, नो वरीज ऑन दैट, एवरीथिंग लुक्स गुड। बाहर से व्यू भी अच्छा आ रहा था, रात में हम लोगों को अच्छे से नींद आई।
It's day 5 and currently we are in Sagar, a small city or town called Sagar in Madhya Pradesh. So the timing here is 12 p.m. right now. Actually, जैसे I had spoken that yesterday we didn't knew what our destination for rest will be. So we were going and realized Sagar is one tiny town with good hotels. तो ऐसे हमने थोड़े videos में देखा था, it is a good place to stay. तो last minute hotel booking की थी and luckily we found a very good hotel. The hotel is quite big. This is actually a banquet hall. तो यहाँ पे इसीलिए ज़्यादा crowd नहीं है, लोग नहीं हैं. This is mostly the banquet hall here. But hoteliers like travelers के लिए भी open है. तो we're lucky enough found a good hotel to spend our night. रूम की भी वीडियो अटैच कर दी गई है, तो you guys can see how the room was. It was quite good for us. And then the weather here is amazing. ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही है, as well as there was slight drizzles in the morning and everything is perfect. हमने हमारा breakfast यहीं पे था. We had our breakfast and now we are heading towards our next left turn and you guys will be there in our journey with us.
Time right now is around 1 p.m. We have currently left Sagar and we are on the way toward Agra. हम लोगों ने National Highway 44 अगेन फिर से पकड़ लिया है. Weather is quite bad, बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश है. So that's why we'll have to maintain a little lower speed comparatively. Road conditions again, as I said, this will be a very smooth road. No problem. आगे मेरे को और खतरनाक weather लग रहा है. Like बहुत clouds दिख रहा है. Black clouds or dark clouds. I don't know. Maybe I'm expecting a little bit more rain. But apart from that, everything is looking good and great.
सो हम अभी हैं रानी लक्ष्मीबाई फोर्ट में. दिस इज समवेयर अराउंड 28 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम NH44. हमारा प्लान वैसे झांसी में रुकने का था नहीं एंड अभी भी रुकने का तो नहीं है. वी जस्ट थॉट इफ इट इज दिस नियर बाई टू झांसी हाईवे, जस्ट वाई नॉट गिव इट अ लुक, बिकॉज इतनी नज़दीक आके मिस करना इज़ नॉट अ थिंग. सो वी हैव कम हियर
The fort is very beautiful. I heard from a mutual friend of Akram that it was recently restored. अभी recently इसका restoration process हुआ है, and that can be seen because it's very well maintained. The greenery here is beautiful actually. It is amazingly maintained. The roads मतलब जो अंदर की maintenance है, यहाँ पे आने जाने का access है जो है वो बहुत अच्छा है. But I have not seen proper rooms and stuff over here. All I could see is war kind of zones here जो war के होते हैं. मुझे थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे forts में इसमें इंटरेस्ट है, so I went out of the way and explored few things. यहाँ पे एक spot है उस तरफ that I will be attaching in the video जहाँ से रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ने अपने adopted son that was दामोदर राव उनके साथ यहाँ से jump किया था with tying him behind her back with the sari. That scene is very famous, and every person who knows Rani Lakshmibai knows this part of her life. She not fled away. Fleeing is not the right term, but she jumped and saved her son and herself from the Britishers. वो spot वहाँ पे है, which is very good. When I used to read about it, and अभी actually में उसको देखना वो felt a little different and nice. वो है यहाँ पे सारा कुछ ये fort का borders है. If people know, these were the parts where armies used to stand and fight to those invading armies जो नीचे से आती थी. And as usual हर fort जो एक hill top पे बनता है, ये भी fort hill top पे बना है. And the best part about this point of the fort is यहाँ से literally झांसी का corner दिखाई देता है. You can see झांसी का literally the every corner of Jhansi. I can also see a lake from here. It is so beautifully built on and built on such an high altitude. यहाँ से दूर दूर तक, and to be honest यहाँ से literally पूरा झांसी दिखाई देता है. And I can see few gardens that might have been the Rani's gardens and stuff. Imaginary है to my sense, but yeah, it is how it is. And यहाँ से 1 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे ही रानी महल है. That this should, so now I understand this should probably be the working sector of the palace. And जो रानी महल है, that is the residing palace of the queens. और यहाँ पे पास ही में म्यूजियम भी पड़ता है. That is somewhere around 500 meters to the fort. But हमारे पास म्यूजियम एक्सप्लोर करने का टाइम नहीं है because we have to reach Agra by the end of this day. And so museum तो नहीं देखा, but probably museum should be nice with Rani Lakshmibai's belongings and war belongings and stuff. तो वो भी है. It is a nice place not to be missed if anybody is visiting Jhansi.
So we took a small detour towards Jhansi. Our roads in Jhansi are like very crappy. They have potholes, cattle all around. क्या ही बोलो वो उसके बारे में. हम लोगों ने वो खत्म करने के बाद basically थोड़ा बहुत explore किया the Jhansi fort, which is quite famous. And अभी हम लोग वापस से national highway पे connect कर रहे हैं, and we're heading towards Agra. Probably we'll reach Agra at around 11:30 पे, and we'll see how it goes.
टाइम क्लोज टू अराउंड 12:40 हो रहा है और हम लोग अभी भी जस्ट आगे आगरा रीच हुए हैं. डिनर हमने एक होटल कॉल्ड मिस्टर चिकन में किया. ठीक है, एवरेज फूड, बट रात में इतनी रात को जो मिल गया उसी में हम लोग खुश हैं. तो आज के लिए अभी बस सिर्फ होटल भी बुक कर लिया है ऑलरेडी ऑनलाइन से ही. booking.com पे अभी जाएंगे, स्टे करेंगे और चेक इन करके सो जाएंगे. कल निकलेंगे ताजमहल एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, और कल आपको एक्सप्लोर करवाते हैं ताजमहल हमारे साथ.